Dear students, today let us learn how to plot a bar graph. Bar graph is a representation of numbers using bars of uniform width, and the length of the bars depend upon the frequency. Here is a bar graph which is drawn. The data is as follows. English, the child gets 75. This marks are out of 100. In Hindi, gets 65. In Konkani, 65. Maths 95. Science 85. Social science 70. So we are plotting a bar graph to show the marks in a particular subject the child has scored. So let's take the bar graph and draw the axis. The horizontal axis is called the x-axis. The vertical axis is called the y-axis. The bars should be of the same width. The height of the bars will show you the frequency. In English, the child has scored above 70 and it is between 70 and 80, counting 5 small divisions, that is 75. In Hindi, the child has scored 60. You can say it very clearly here. In Konkani, the child has scored 65. After 60, 5 more divisions. In maths, the child has scored 95. In science, they scored 85. And social science, they scored 70. So here let us learn how to plot. First take the graph page. Now here is the data given to you. Take the graph page and take a pencil. Now I have taken a pen so that it becomes visible on your graph. You draw the axis first, the y-axis and the x-axis. Write here the x-axis and you write here the y-axis. Now, if you look at the data, my marks of the lowest marks are 60, the highest are 95. Okay, the maximum marks are 100. So we have to take the y-axis, the subjects are on the x-axis and marks are on the y-axis. This will show us the frequency. So the bars should be of uniform width and therefore we take the uniform width into on the y-axis. For example, I take this box as English. I write here English. I leave some space and then the next box I write Hindi. You can write in short. Then you can write Konkani. The next one is Konkani. The next one is mathematics. Next one is science and the last one is social science. You can also write this slanting according like how it is more visible. Now we go for the y-axis. On the y-axis we have the beginning is the 0 and till 100 you can have on the y-axis. Why I am having 100? Because in math the child has scored 95, the highest, and the maximum marks out of 100. Now we have to take equal divisions. Now when we have from 0, we take small divisions as 10 here. 10, so I keep on doing it. 20, 30, 40, 50, likewise 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So I write here, these are the subjects and these are the marks. Now if you see one square here, there are 10 small divisions. There are 10 small divisions. Okay, so from 0 to over here it is 5. From 10 to 20 it is 15 in between. From 20 to 30 it is 25 in between. Likewise, from 70 to 80 small, the middle one is 75. Okay, and from 90 to 100 it is 95. So let's start plotting the graph now. English 75. English 75. So you go up to 70 and you mark here the small in between. You count 5 small divisions and you get here English 75. Then you go for Hindi. Hindi it is 60. So here it is 60. Then you go for Konkani. Konkani it is 65. So from 60 to 70 I have 10 small divisions. So you count 5. So it will be the midpoint. Then you have mathematics. Mathematics is 95. So from 90 to 100 there are 10 small divisions. So you take count 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So you get at the center. You can check here. You can hold the scale and you check here for mathematics. Yes. Put 2 points here. Draw this. Then you go for science. Science is 85. So from 80 to 90 there are 5 small divisions. Social science is 70. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you hold the scale and check where is 70. Likewise, you check where you have marked social science. So English it is 75. Check again. Hindi it is 60. Konkani it is 65. Mathematics is 95. Science 85. And social science 70. So you have seen that I have taken bars of same width. You can color them like I have done over here. You can color them like this so that each subject the marks become very visible. Okay, my question is now to you, in which subject has the student scored the highest? The top of the frequency, the highest bar is here for mathematics. So it is 95. In which subject has the child scored the least? So looking at my bar graph, you can make out it is Hindi. So like this, you can answer many questions which are given to you based on the bar graph. Students, let us write the scale on the right side of my graph page. We have in one box from 0 to 10, we have 10 marks. So therefore, the scale will be 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. So I repeat once again, my 1 unit, that is my one box, is 10 marks. So 10, 20 till I get 100. I hope you have followed the plotting of the bar graph. Thank you, students.